JB. Alright guys, so this whole trip I've been using this coffee maker by Stanley, and it's worked extremely well. I'm very, very happy with the way this turned out. So it's a pour over coffee deal. You've seen it pretty much in every video on this trip. And it's very simple. Just unscrew the bottom, empty it out, rinse it out. And it's got a built-in, you know, coffee strainer thing, whatever you call it, filter. That's the one, filter. Built-in filter. So you just got to rinse it out when you're done and you're ready to roll. It's definitely sped up the coffee in the morning for me, so I'm very, very happy I got that. All right. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy this and finish waking up.